Good morning, one and all. We welcome you for our school's highly anticipated annual social gathering. Kongni Bhasha Mandal was formed for the purpose to serve for the development of Kongni language, literature, and culture of the state. Keeping this cause as its main aim, 12 years back, on 7 June was the birth of Ravindra Kerekar Jnana Mandir. Since then, till date, we have strived our level best to foster learning, create cultured and responsible citizens. The gathering theme we select every year is not merely for entertainment, but we try our level best to display culture, literature, traditions, and highlight a social issue. In the past, we have carefully selected themes like Save Madai, COVID warriors, and 60 years of Goa's liberation. Our last year's theme was the contribution, life, and literature of Mr. Sridhar Kamath. The gathering was so impressive that we had a repeat show in the month of June on public demand. This year's gathering is based on Anees Goinkar, leader of the Kongni movement, an Indian lawyer who was also the former member of Goa's Legislative Assembly. He is none other than Advocate Uday Bemre. I would now request our headmaster, Mr. Anant Agni, to accompany the chief guest, Ms. Kishori Bemre, guest of honor, Ms. Vriddhi Desai, KBM President, Ms. Anvesha Simbal, SMC Chairman, Mr. Prashant Naik, PTA President, Mr. Anup Madkaikar, Arcadians Forever United President, Mr. Yash Marmangalam on the dais. I also request our headmaster Anant Agni to kindly take the seat on the dais. Can we have a round of applause for all our dignitaries for today? Greet the dignitaries for today with an applause. It's indeed our pleasure to have such renowned personality amongst us. I now request our PTA President, Mr. Anup Madkaikar, to kindly welcome the gathering.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As I begin, I would like to wish Happy Father's Day to all the incredible dads out here. Your love, support, and guidance make the world a better place. Thank you for everything you do. Kokani Bhasha Mandal's Ravindra Kerekar Jnana Mandir, Goa, welcome you all with great pleasure, and that I stand before you today with immense pride, welcoming you all to our school's annual prize distribution ceremony and a cultural program based on our honored guest, Advocate Uday Bemre. First and foremost, I extend a heartfelt welcome to all our distinguished guests who have honored us with their presence. Your support and encouragement mean a lot to us and are deeply appreciated. It is said, there is always woman behind every successful man. I welcome our guest of honor, Mrs. Kishori Uday Bemre, famous Kokani poet, along with Advocate Uday Bemre, who is an Indian lawyer, Kokani writer, and a former member of Legislative Assembly, Goa, Daman and Diu. Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am. I welcome our chief guest by Ruddhi Desai, former student RKD and a topper in board exams. I also welcome the school management committee, Mr. Prashant sir, Mrs. Anvesha Singhbal madam, Mr. Chetan Acharya sir, Anant Agni sir, Arcadian Forever president, Ratnabai Divkar madam, and I can't get some of the names. Please welcome. I welcome all the dedicated teachers and staff. Your unwavering commitment to nurturing and educating our children is commendable. You have been the guiding light, shaping the future of our students with your wisdom, passion, and dedication. Today is the celebration of your hard work and achievements, and we are truly grateful for your efforts. I welcome all the parents. Your involvement and partnership in the children's education are vital. You are the pillars that support our school community, and your active participation in PTA activities and school events has been invaluable. Together, we have created a nurturing environment that fosters learning and growth. To our dear students, this is day especially for you. Your enthusiasm, curiosity, and determination to excel are what make our school vibrant and dynamic. Today we celebrate your accomplishments, your talents, and your spirit. Keep striving for excellence and never stop believing in yourself. As we gather here to celebrate another year successful, let us take a moment to reflect on the milestones we have achieved together, from academic excellence to extracurricular activities. Our journey has been remarkable. We have faced challenges, but with unity and perseverance, we have overcome them and emerged stronger. Today's gathering is not just about celebrating our achievements, but also about looking forward to the future. It is time to renew our commitment to providing the best education and opportunities to our children. Let us continue to work hand in hand, fostering a community in support, respect, and collaboration. In closing, I would like to extend my gratitude to everyone who has contributed to making this day a memorable one. Let us enjoy the performances, the awards, and the joy that this gathering brings. Thank you all for being here, and here's to another year of success, growth, and togetherness. I welcome you all. Please enjoy the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Anup Madkekar. Flowers, with their vibrant colors and delicate fragrance, symbolize the beauty and warmth we wish to extend to our esteemed guest. Like each petal in a bouquet, our welcome is crafted with care and appreciation, honoring the grace and significance of this special occasion. I request Arcadian Forever United President, Mr. Yash Maramangalam, to give floral welcome to the chief guest of today's function, Ms. Kishori Vimri. Also, to the guest of honor, Ms. Ruddhi Desai. Thank you, Yash. In the cherished tradition, at Ravindra Kerekar Jnana Mandir, we celebrate achievements that extend far beyond academic excellence alone. We proudly honor and celebrate the multifaceted talents and skills that make each child unique. To do these honors, I request PTA President Mr. Anup Madkekar to give the prizes to Standard 5th students. From Standard 5th, we have Miss Anvi Naik. This prize is sponsored by Mr. Pandarinath Parab in memory of Mr. Narayan Kushta Parab. Anvi is an intelligent child. She possesses great talent, especially in storytelling. She's a very matured girl and can manage herself in all situations. Next we have Master Arnav Naik. This prize is sponsored by Mr. Narayan Mauzo in memory of Lokakavi Dr. Manohar Rai Sardesai. Arnav is an obedient and sincere child. He's a fine artist and has excelled brilliantly in art. Next we have Miss Lavya Gurav. This prize is sponsored by Mr. Eknath Marathi in memory of Mr. Kashinath and Miss Premavati Shet Marathi. Lavya is a sweet and sober child. She has won many hearts by her melodious voice. Thank you, Anubha. Further, I request our SMC chairman, Mr. Prashant Naik, to do the honors. From Standard 6th, we have Master Rushi Desai. This prize is sponsored by Mr. Kiran Nayak. Rushi is an intelligent child with curious mind. He always has something out of the box to share with his peers. Next, we have Master Pranjal Patankar. This prize is sponsored by Mr. Uday Gude in memory of Mr. Biku Rudraji Shenvi Gude. Pranjal is an obedient child. He is very popular among his classmates. He possesses great leadership skills and completes all his tasks responsibly. Next, we have Miss Alia Mushtaqin. This prize is sponsored by Mr. Pottudas Kanekar. Alia is a responsible child. She always shares her opinion in class on various topics and has a questioning mind. Thank you, sir. Now I request Prashant sir to say a few words.
रवींद्र केळेकर ज्ञानमंदिराच्या या वर्सुकी इनामा वाटप सुवाळो आणि बहुरंगी जी कार्यावळ आसा त्या कार्यावळीची मुखेल सोयरी बाय किशोरी भेंब्रे, आमचे मानाचे सोयरे बाय वृद्धी देसाय. फक्त वृद्धी देसाय म्हणून जावपाना, वृद्धी हे ओपिनियन पोल ज्योत, संघ प्रदेश ज्योत घेऊन जो संपूर्ण गोंया भितर 1967च्या ओपिनियन पोल चळवळीक जेणे महाराष्ट्रवादी गोमंतक पक्षा कडेन बंड करून संघ प्रदेशाची भूमिका स्विकारली आणि ती फक्त स्विकारना तर संपूर्ण गोंया भितर ताजे खातीर चळवळ उबारपाक मदत केली. ते शाबू देसायाली ती नात. शाबू देसायाचो पूत बाब विशाल सभाघरा भितर आसा. आमचे बरोबर आसात कोंकणी भाशा मंडळाचे माजी अध्यक्ष भाई मावजो ज्ञानपीठकारय बी, पण माजी अध्यक्ष चड संयुक्तीक जाता आयच्या दिसा खातीर. उदयबाब भेंब्रे माजी अध्यक्ष परते चेतन आचार्य, बाकीचे हेर सगळे मानेस्त आसा सभाघरा भितर, सगळ्यांचे नांव घेना. स्टेजीचेर आशिल्लो बाब अनूप मडकयकर आमच्या PTA अध्यक्ष, अन्वेषा कोंकणी भाशा मंडळाचे अध्यक्ष, बाब यश आर्केडियन्स फॉर एवर हो एक नवो कन्सेप्ट आमच्या हेडमास्टरान सुरू केला आणि ताजो मुखेली बाब यश, आनीक आमचो हेडमास्टर बाब अनंत अग्नी. सगळ्यांक आयच्या कार्यावळीक येवकार दिता. एक तपपुर्ती 12 वर्सां आमी पुराय करतात. ज्या वेळाचेर म्हळ्यार हें प्रत्येक वर्सा म्हणप जाता, पण तरी आसतना प्रत्येक वर्साक नवे नवे लोक ॲड जायत आसात ह्या चळवळी भितर आनी ह्या आमच्या शाळे भितर, की एक वर्साक अशी परिस्थिती आशिल्ली की कोंकणी भाशा मंडळाक शाळेक भुरगीं मेळना म्हण अशी परिस्थिती जाल्ली. ज्या वेळाचेर आमी निर्णय घेतलो की आमी हायस्कूल सुरू करया, रवींद्र केळेकर ज्ञानमंदिर हें आमी हायस्कूल सुरू केलें, आनी आज परिस्थिती अशी आसा की आमकां ॲडमिशन ना म्हणचे पडटात. आतां तुमी म्हणटले फक्त हायस्कुलाकच का म्हणनी, हायस्कुलांनी आमकां KG सान 10वी पर्यंत मदल्या एका वर्गांकय बी खूब भुरग्यांक ॲडमिशन घेवपाक सोदतात. वेगवेगळ्या स्कुलांतल्यान आमचे कडेन भुरगे येतात, मनोविकासांतल्यान येतात, विद्या विकासांतल्यान येतात, किंग्स स्कुलांतल्यान येतात, बाकीच्या स्कुलांतल्यान येतात मडगांवांतल्या. पूण आज परिस्थिती अशी आसा की रवींद्र केळेकर ज्ञानमंदिराक भुरग्यांक घेवपाक जमना, संख्या चड जाता. आमचो प्रयत्न गेली कित्येक वर्सां आमी म्हणटात की आमी नवी शाळा बांदतली म्हण. जाग्याचो प्रश्न आसा. सरकार कितले तेंप जाले सांगता की जागो दितली म्हण. सरकारान दवरले भितर जसो कुजिरा जसो तांचो कॉम्प्लेक्स आसा, सगळी स्कुलांक पणजेच्या कुजिरा हाडून तांणी जागो दिलो आनी तांणी आपली स्कूल बांदली, तसो सरकाराचो एक प्रयत्न आशिल्लो मडगांवां भितर अशें करचें. आनी मडगांवाक जी मेन सिटी भितर जी खूब विद्यालयां आसात आनी जांकां लागून थंय अडचणी जातात तांकां सगळ्यांक दवर्ली शिफ्ट करपाची हाजे खातीर मोठी जागा घेतिल्ली आसा सरकारान. पूण प्रत्येक वर्साक आमकां सांगतात की ह्या वर्सा तुमगे काम जातलें, ह्या वर्सा तुमगे काम जातलें. वी वेर द फर्स्ट एप्लिकंट तो जागा आमकां मेळचो म्हण. पूण अजून पर्यंत तें जायना. म्हाका दिसता की नवे शिक्षण सचिव प्रसाद बाब लोलयेकर तांणी ताबो घेतला आनी सरकार ह्या वर्सा तरी नावेलीचो आमदार बाब उल्हास तुयेकर हाणेंय बी म्हणला की आपल्याले प्रयत्न आसतले म्हण. सो आमी धरून चलया की ह्या वर्सा आमकां तो जागो मेळटलो. ह्या वर्सा म्हळ्यार ह्या एकाडेमीक इयर 2025 मार्च काबार जावचे पयलीं आमकां तो जागो मेळटलो. आमी रोखड्याच नव्या स्कुलांक वचपाक शकतले. जर जागो मेळ्ळो जाल्यार स्कूल बांदप जातलें आनी ताजे नंतर आमी नव्या स्कुलांक वचपाक शकतले. कोंकणी भाशा मंडळाचो सदांच प्रयत्न आसा आमचो आनी आमच्या शाळेचो की भुरग्यांक वेगवेगळ्या मळाचेर तयार करप. फक्त भुरगीं जर अभ्यासच जर घेवन गेली जर जायत जाल्यार तांचो फुडार जसो जावपा जाय तसो जायना आनी ताका लागून तांकां सगळ्या मळाचेर तयार करप ही आमी आमचें कर्तव्य समजतात. आनी ताका लागून आज तुमी हो इनामाचो पावस पळयतले की जो आतां सुरू जालो पळय. भुरग्यांनी वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रांक कला संस्कृती त्या भायर विज्ञान क्वीज सगळ्या क्षेत्रां भितर रवींद्र केळेकर ज्ञान मंदिराचो म्हण एक इम्पॅक्ट आसा. खेळा मळाचेर सुद्दां आमकां खेळा मैदान ना, आमच्या मुखार आहा तो रस्तो शाळे मुखार. पूण तरी आसतना यू विल फायंड की रवींद्र केळेकर ज्ञान मंदिराचे भुरगे तांच्या पालकांच्या प्रोत्साहना लागून आनी आमच्या फिजिकल एज्युकेशन टीचर जो आसा ताज्या प्रयत्ना लागून तांणी राष्ट्रीय पांवड्याचेर नामना जोडिल्ली आसा. सो रवींद्र केळेकर ज्ञान मंदिर अभ्यास कला आनी संस्कृती स्पोर्ट्स आनी बाकीच्या सगळ्या विशयां भितर आज एक मोठें स्थान मेळोवन आसा. फक्त हातूं भितरच न्ही, जेन्ना सरकाराच्यो नव्यो येवजण येतात. आतां सरकार न्यू एज्युकेशन पॉलिसी आतां लागू करपाची आसा आनी तातूंत भितर म्हत्वाचें म्हळ्यार आमचो मुख्याध्यापक त्या हाजो गेली 2 वर्सां ती जी एक कमिटी घडयला ताजो सभासद आसा आनी एक प्रयत्न चालू आसा की ही जी नवी न्यू एज्युकेशन पॉलिसी आसा ती बरे तरेन लागू जावची म्हण संपूर्ण गोंया भितर. आनी तेन्ना सरकाराक ही पॉलिसी लागू करतना जे अडचणी येवं येता ताजे बद्दलूय बी आमी सरकाराक कळयला. फाटीं सरकारान मिटिंगूय बी घेवपा प्लॅन केला, मडगांवां भितर घेतला, बाकीच्या तालुक्यांनी जाता तांगेली मिटिंगो. पूण त्या बाबतींत सुद्दां रवींद्र केळेकर ज्ञान मंदिर म्हण आमचो हेडमास्टर आमच्या शिक्षकांनी एक बरें इनपूट सरकाराक दिला, जाची सरकारान जाहीरपणान नोंद घेतिल्ली आसा की रवींद्र केळेकराच्या ज्ञान मंदिरान ह्या बाबतींत आमकां बरे तरेची सजेशन्स केलात आनी बरें इनपूट दिलें म्हण. आयच्या दिसाक तुमी हो कार्यक्रम म्हळ्यार ह्या भाशणाक कोणा व्हडलो इंट्रस्ट आसपाचो ना, कित्याक मुखार उदय बाबाच्या जिणेचेर जवळ जवळ एक कार्यावळ जावपाची आसा आनी ती पळोवपाक तुमी उत्सूक आसतले. हांव परतून एकदां कॉम्प्लिमेंट करता आमच्या मुख्याध्यापक आनी सगळ्या टिमीक. एकाडेमिक्सा बरोबरच बाकीच्या सगळ्या गजाली भितर जे आमचें यश आसा, घवघवीत यश आसा, तेजे आमी कांय ना तातूंत भितर आसा ती आमची ही टीम. स्कुला भितर जी टीचर आनी मुख्याध्यापक आसा त्या टिमी खातीर एकदां तुमी सगळ्यांनी तांकां परबी भेटोवची की तांकां लागूनच हो रथ मुखार वता. हो कन्सेप्टच जो डेवलप केला म्हळ्यार म्हाका दिसता तो मुख्याध्यापकाच्या तकलेंतल्यान आयिल्लो आसूं जाय आनी मागीर त्या शिक्षकांनी तो उचलून धरिल्लो आसपा जाय, उखलून धरिल्लो आसपा जाय की थीम गॅदरींग. म्हळ्यार अशें चुकून अशें जाता की थीम गॅदरींग हो कन्सेप्ट चडसो हांवें आयकुना खंय. पूण जे ज्वलंत प्रश्न म्हळ्यार जेन्ना म्हादयचो प्रश्न गोंया भितर ज्वलंत आशिल्लो त्या वेळाचेर म्हादय हें थीम आशिल्लें आमचें. म्हळ्यार आनी ते थिमाचेर जे कांय गजाली स्ट्रीट प्ले जावं दी जावं गाणी जावं दी जी केली ती आमी गोंया भितर भोवतेक भागांनी केली. ओपिनियन पोल डे जेन्ना आमी सेलिब्रेट करता हांगा तेन्ना ही जी गोंय आनी गोंया संबंदी लागू जी आसा पळय ते परफॉर्मन्सस आमी करतात. आमचे लेखक जांचे कार्य गीत संगीत नाट्य आनी बाकीच्या गजाली भितर आसा तांकां एक निमतान सेलिब्रेट करपाचो, तांच्या कार्याक एक निमतान सलाम करपाचें काम हे ह्या थीम गॅदरिंगांतल्यान जाता. आनी आयच्या आमच्या गॅदरिंगाचे मुखेली सॉर्ट ऑफ उदयबाब बेंब्रे आज सभाघरा भितर बसलात, ज्यांच्या सगळ्या कार्याचेर आयचें गॅदरींग आसा आनी ते पळोवपाक तुमी हांगा आयलात. तुमकां सगळ्यांक आज हांव ह्या कार्यावळीक येवकार दिता आनी म्हाजी 2 उतरां सोंपयतां. देव बरें करूं.
Thank you, Prashant sir, for your kind words of motivation and inspiring us in every possible way. Next category of prizes are given to those students of standard 7th, 8th and 9th who have shown outstanding conduct in and outside their classroom environment. And to give away these prizes, I request Konkani Bhasha Mandal's President, Ms. Anvesha Singhbal, to kindly do the honors. First, I'm starting with standard 7. Master Karthik Virdikar. This prize is sponsored by Mr. Suraj Kenkre. Karthik is well-mannered and a soft-spoken child. He is kind, patient, humble, and very smart. He is attentive in class and sincere towards his studies. He has a very high regards for teachers and treats his fellow classmates with lots of respect. Next, Master Kavya Rani. And this prize is sponsored by Mr. Vishwanath Jayant Nadkarni. Kavya is polite and very well-behaved student. His matured and well-mannered ways set him apart from the rest. He is neat in all his work and is very good at drawing. Next, Master Varad Desai. And this prize is sponsored by Dr. Jayanti Naik. Varad is a child who is very sharp, focused and intelligent. His smiling face, loving and helpful nature is what most impressive about him. He gets along well with all his classmates and is respectful towards his teachers. Next category of prizes is from standards 8. Miss Sara Samant, and this prize is sponsored by Mr. Prashant Naik. Sara possesses outstanding qualities of kindness, compassion and supportiveness. As a talented dancer, Sara not only shines on stage but also brightens the lives of those around her and her with a caring nature. Next, Miss Snigdha Sawant, and this prize is sponsored by Miss Varsha Naik in memory of Mr. Vishnu Damodar Naik. Snigdha is incredibly imaginative student, deeply passionate about art. She loves creating stunning mandala designs that showcases her talents and dedication to her craft. Next, Master Daksh Shirodkar, and this prize is sponsored by Ms. Rashmi Raju Talgaonkar in memory of Mr. Jnaneshwar Vadkar. Daksh has grown into a talented and confident student over the time. He shines both on sports field as well as on stage, showcasing his abilities with flair and dedication. Next, now coming to standard 9 standard prizes. We have Miss Durva Raikar, and this prize is sponsored by Mr. Narayan Mauzo in memory of Lokkavi Dr. Manohar Rai Sardesai. Durva is a kind and soft-spoken child. She is hardworking and excels in academics and other co-curricular activities. She is respectful towards her teachers and friends. Next, Miss Anushka Dumar, and this prize is sponsored by Mr. Parag Raikar in memory of Mrs. Vrunda Gajanan Raikar. Anushka is a smart and talented child with brilliant oratory skills. She excels in academics as well as in cultural field. She is polite, respectful and a loving child. Next, I call upon Ms. Suhani Raikar, and this prize is sponsored by Mr. Sudesh Nerurkar in memory of Ms. Sudha Nerurkar. Suhani is a fun-loving child with excellent dancing skills. She is very hardworking and talented. She gives her best in whatever task is allotted to her. Next, we have Miss Kanak Satardekar, and this prize is sponsored by Miss Shilpa Dinesh Raikar. Kanak is very humble, and quite child by nature. She is responsible, hardworking, and tries to give her best in all the activities that is assigned to her. She is equally good in academics and cultural fields. Thank you, Anvesha Tai. I would like to request Ms. Anvesha Singhbal to kindly say a few words.
नमस्कार. माचेर उपस्थित आयच्या कार्यावळीच्यो मुखेल सोयऱ्यो किशोरीबाई, मानाचे सोयऱ्यो आमचे वृद्धीबाई, माचेर उपस्थित प्रशांत बाब, अनूप बाब, यश, अग्नी सर, सभागृहात उपस्थित कोंकणी भाषा मंडळाचे आदले अध्यक्ष आनी आमचे ज्ञानपीठ कारभाई मावजो, कोंकणी भाषा मंडळाचे आदले अध्यक्ष चेतनबाब आचार्य, कोंकणी भाषा मंडळाचे उपाध्यक्ष रत्नाबाई, सचिव मंगलदास बाब, सभागृहात जायते मानेस्त आसा. सगळ्यांची नांवां घेवपाचो मोह जाता पूण तो टाळटा आनी सगळ्यांक मानाचो येवकार दिता. सगळ्यांक नमस्कार. इश्टानो, आयज आमी अशा एका व्यक्तीक सेलेब्रेट करतात, मनयतात
जाणें आपलें पुराय आयुश्य कोंकणी भास आनी गोंयच्या अस्मिताये खातीर दिलें. हांव उदय बाबाक आमच्या सगळ्यांच्या वतीन ह्या वेळार मानाचो मुजरो करता आनी तांकां नमन करता. निस्वार्थीपणाक कितें आसत हाचें दुसरें नांव उदय बाब. ह्या कार्यावळीच्या निमतान आज घडये पयलेच फावट आमकां उदय बाबाच्या तोंडांतल्यान उदय बाबाचें आयुश्य, उदय बाबाच्या आयुश्यांतले खीण आयकुपाक आनी पळोवपाक मेळटले. आमी जेन्ना उदय बाबाक सांगलें की आमी थोडेशें रिकॉर्डिंग करपाक तुमगेर येता म्हणून, आमकां तें रिकॉर्डिंग परत करचें पडलें. आनी परत इतल्याच खातीर करचें पडलें की उदय बाबाच्या स्वभावाक धरून आमी जितले प्रश्न विचारले तातूंत उदय बाबाक खंयच आपूण किंवा हांव आयलें ना, थंय सगळ्याक आमीच आयले. आनी मागीर आमकां परत उदय बाबाक सांगचें पडलें की उदय बाब थोडेशें तुमचें वैयक्तीक योगदान आनी तुमच्यो यादी ह्या जापांनी येवच्यो. आनी उदय बाबान तें मानून घेतलें आनी मुखार जी कार्यावळ जातली तातूंत ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली उलगडत वतल्यो. उदय बाब आनी उदय बाबाच्या सांगातांनी 45 वर्सां पयलीं विद्याभवन कोंकणी शाळेची बुन्याद घाली आनी त्या बुन्यादीचेर रविंद्र केळकार ज्ञान मंदिराची घटमूट इमारत आमी बांदपाक शकले. उदय बाबान आनी तांच्या सांगात्यांनी जेन्ना ही शाळा सुरू केल्ली तेन्ना ताचो एकमेव विद्यार्थी आशिल्लो उदय बाबाचो पूत अपूर्व भेंब्रे. आनी त्या एका विद्यार्थ्याक घेवन सुरू केल्ली ही शाळा आयज खंय पावल्या हें तुमी सगळे पळयतात. इश्टानो, जेन्ना विद्याभवन कोंकणी शाळेची बुन्याद घाली तेन्ना उदय बाब सांगता त्या प्रमाणे फक्त मुळावी शाळा सुरू करून तांकांय थांबपाचें नाशिल्लें. खरें म्हळ्यार तेन्नाच म्हणजे ताच्या नंतर हायस्कूल सुरू जावचें असोय बी हावेस तांणी सगळ्यांनी बाळगिल्लो. कारण कोंकणी माध्यमांतल्यान, मातृभाशेंतल्यान मुळावें शिक्षण घेवपी भुरगीं, घेवपी विद्यार्थी खंय पावपाक शकता हें तेन्ना सगळ्यांक सांगपाची गरज आशिल्ली. अर्थात जरी हायस्कुलाक माध्यमीक शाळेक सुरू करपाक मातसो वेळ जालो आसलो तरी विद्याभवन कोंकणी शाळेंतलीं भुरगीं आयज जगार राज्य करता म्हळ्यार अतिताय जावची ना. वेगवेगळ्या म्हणजे दोतोर, इंजिनियरींग सारकेल्या फिल्डांनी आसात, पूण चित्रपट, कला, संगीत अशा वेगवेगळ्या मळार आयज हीं भुरगीं आपलें काम करतात, नामना मेळयतात. आनी ताच्याय म्हत्वाचें म्हाका दिसता की जी लागणूक सगळ्यांक अपेक्षीत आशिल्ली ती लागणूक आमकां ह्या विद्यार्थ्यां मदीं दिसता. आनी ताचो एकूच भाग किंवा एकूच उदाहरण म्हणून हांव की आयज विद्याभवन कोंकणी शाळेन किंवा रविंद्र केळकार ज्ञान मंदिरान शिकपी कितलींशींच भुरगीं आनी तांचे जे पालक आसा ते आमच्या विद्याभवन कोंकणी शाळेचे विद्यार्थी आसात, जांची भुरगीं आयज आमच्या शाळांनी शिकतात. आनी एकूच नांव हांव मुजरत घेन, त्या वेळार बोर्ड हो कन्सेप्ट आशिल्लो आनी पयल्या 50 जे येताले तांचे बोर्डार नांवां आसतालीं. तातूंत त्या बोर्डान आयिल्ले डॉक्टर विणा हेगडे हे विद्याभवन कोंकणी शाळेचे तेन्नाचे विद्यार्थी आयज आमच्या विद्याभवन कोंकणी शाळेच्या पालक शिक्षक संघाचे अध्यक्ष आसा. आनी फक्त अध्यक्ष म्हणून न्ही जाल्यार ज्यो विधायक सुचोवण्यो आमकां करपाची गरज आसता ते एक पालक म्हणून आनी विद्याभवन कोंकणी शाळेचे आदले विद्यार्थी म्हणून ते आमकां करत आसता. ही लागणूक आनी ही लागणूक ती बुन्याद जाणी घाल्ली तांकां अपेक्षीत आशिल्ली आनी 45 वर्सां उपरांतूय ती लागणूक तशीच टिकून आसा. प्रशांत बाबान सांगलें तशें की आमच्या रविंद्र केळकर ज्ञान मंदिरान एक्स आर्केडियन म्हणून कन्सेप्टूच ना, आमचे आर्केडियन्स फॉर एवर. आनी ताका थोडेशें संस्थात्मक रूप दिवन आज ताचो अध्यक्ष यश बाब हांगा माचयेर बशिल्लो आसा. आनी उपरांत जी कार्यावळ जातली तातूंतय बी आमकां ह्या आर्केडियन फॉर एवर हांच्या म्हणजे जे विद्यार्थी आमचे आशिल्ले, तांकां एक्स स्टुडंट्स आमी म्हणनात, ते आमचे विद्यार्थी सदांच उरतले, तांची कला तुमकां पळोवपाक मेळटली. इश्टानो, आज मुखेल सोयऱ्यो म्हणून किशोरीबाई मुजरत आमच्या मदीं हजर आसा. थोडेशें कठीण आशिल्लें तांकां मनोवन हांगा मुखेल सोयऱ्यो म्हणून हाडून बसोवप, पूण तांणी आमकां आमच्या उतराक मान दिवन ती मुजरत हांगा हजर रावली, देखून हांव सुरवातेकूच तांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. खूब जाण किशोरीबायक उदय बाबाचो सायलंट सपोर्टर म्हणटात. म्हाका ही गजाल अजिबात मान्य ना. फाटले कांय तेंप जरी उसरा आसले तरी उदय बाब आनी किशोरीताई खूब लागींच्यान मेळपाचो, तांच्या कडेन संवाद सादपाची एक संद मेळ्ळी. आनी तातूंतल्यान एक गजाल म्हज्या लक्षांत आयली, ती म्हळ्यार जरी खंबीरपणान किशोरीबाईन स्टेजीर येनासतना फाटल्यान रावन जरी तांणी उदय बाबाक तेंको दिलो आसलो तरी तो सायलंट केन्नाच नाशिल्लो. कितलेशेच फावट किशोरीताई खूब एम्फेटीकपणान म्हणटा तशें आपलें मत मांडटात आणि तितल्याच रेस्पेदान तितल्याच नम्रपणान उदय बाब ते मानून घेताय हांवें कितलेशेच फावटी पळयलां. आज हांगा किशोरीबाई हजर आसा. आमी उदय बाबाक जर कोंकणी चळवळीचे प्रतिनिधी म्हणटा आसत जाल्यार किशोरीबाई त्या सगळ्यांचे प्रतिनिधी ज्यांनी फाटल्यान रावन उदय बाबा सारकेल्या किंवा कितलेशेच आमच्या कोंकणी कार्यकर्त्यांक एक खंबीर तेंको दिलो. पिरंगनासतना किंवा तुमी कितें करतात हे प्रश्न विचारनासतना आनी तातूंत जोडीदारूच न्हय कितलेशेच जाणांचे आवय बापूय आसतले, कितलेशेच जाणांची घरचीं आसतलीं ज्यांनी तांकां वचपाक दिलें, मुखार सरपाक दिलें. आनी तोच तेंको पालक म्हणून आमकांय बी तुमच्या कडल्यान अपेक्षीत आसा. खूबदां अशें जाता की खास करून आमच्या शाळेन आमची भुरगीं केन्ना केन्ना 6-7 मेरेन सुद्दां वेगवेगळ्या कार्यावळींची सर्तींची प्रॅक्टीस करता आनी पालकांक दिसपाक शकता की अरे पाठ्यपुस्तकां सोडून बाकीचेच आमचे विद्यार्थी चड करता काय कितें. पूण ताजें जें फळ आसा तें घडये आयज दिसना आसत पूण तें फाल्यां दिसतलें. आनी त्या खातीर पालक म्हणून जो वेवस्थापन आनी शिक्षकांचेर विश्वास तुमी आयज मेरेन दवरला तो हाज्या मुखार असोच दवरचो अशें हांव ह्या वेळार मागतां. आयज जी कार्यावळ हांगा जातली त्या कार्यावळीन आपले श्रम परिश्रम दिवपी सगळे विद्यार्थी, शिक्षक आनी तांकां तयार करपी सगळ्या प्रशिक्षकांक सुरवातेकूच परबी भेटयता आनी तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी थांबता.
Thank you, Ms. Anvesha Simbal, for your kind words of appreciation. I now request our guest of honor for today, Ms. Vriddhi Desai, to kindly hand over the awards to Senate's 10 students. First, we have Ms. Anushri Joshi. This prize is sponsored by Atul Velekar. Anushri is a remarkable individual whose selfless nature, creativity, and passion for dance have left an incredible mark in our hearts. Second, we have Ms. Pearl Shetkar, prize sponsored by Ms. Sushila Nilkan Halarankar. Pearl is an incredibly intelligent child. Her commitment to academic excellence and cultural activities has encouraged other students. Next, we have Ms. Ayushi Gaunkar, prize sponsored by Mr. Samarth Uday Talaulekar. Ayushi is a kind and soft-spoken and down-to-earth student. Her quiet nature is what sets her ahead of the crowd. She can win anyone's heart by her words and values. Next, we have Master Tejas Vatwankar, prize sponsored by Ajit Lolekar. Tejas is a disciplined and obedient student, demonstrating admirable leadership skills. Next, we have Master Neil Desai, prize sponsored by Miss Sneha Sati Snavnees in memory of Miss Sushma Snavnees. Neil has grown up into a confident, smart and obedient student. Next, we have Master Vansh Dangi, prize sponsored by Mr. Babaji Alas Mohan Vaman Sardesai. Vansh is a brilliant student in academics. He shows respect towards his teachers and the school. Next, we have Master Mihir Kanolkar, prize sponsored by Anushka Viraj Desai in memory of Mr. Ajit Kushali Desai. Mihir has been a calm and composed child. He has excelled in academics as well as non-academics. Giving up cell phones for studies can be a challenging but rewarding decision. This year, we are proud to announce that we had 4 such students who prioritized their studies over their cell phones. I would like to call upon Master Sheshraj Naik on stage to receive this reward as a gesture of appreciation. Next is Mohammad Safan Balbati. He is not here with us today. Next is Miss Prachi Lenka. And Master Neil Desai. I'm sure it had a significant impact on your academic success and overall well-being. Your future self will thank you for what you've done. I now request our guest of honor, Ms. Vriddhi Desai, an SSC topper of last year, to kindly share a few words.
A very good morning to all the parents, teachers, and all the dignitaries gathered here on this auspicious occasion. I'm deeply honored and grateful for the opportunity to speak here and share a few reflections on my journey through school. I remember the day I had come to Ravindra Kelkar Jnana Mandir for my admissions and was quite nervous and not really happy as I was leaving one school and joining another. Seeing me in this state, I remember Agni sir saying, "Vriddhi, आमची building ल्हान आसत पण आमची मना खूप व्हड." Such kind and comforting words. Agni sir's dedication in ensuring every child feels comfortable at school is commendable. The love he has for each and every student is truly amazing. My journey in school has been nothing short of remarkable, filled with challenges, learning experiences, and moments of triumph. Each day has taught me the importance of perseverance, dedication, and to believe in myself and never to give up. As the school topper, I'm humbled by this recognition and grateful for the support of my teachers, friends, and family who have been my pillars of strength throughout. Speaking of my teachers, I cannot overstate their significance in shaping not just academic growth, but also our character. The teachers in Ravindra Kelkar Jnana Mandir are not merely educators, but mentors, guides, and inspirations who go above and beyond to nurture our potential and ignite our passion for learning. As a shy and timid girl, there was Shaunak sir, Blue teacher, and Ruita teacher who encouraged me to overcome my fears and step out of my comfort zone. They pushed me forward, helping me to face my social anxiety despite my reluctance. I'm extremely grateful to Abhijit sir and Deepashri teacher for making daunting subjects seem easier and making the class a fun place. A special thanks to Blue teacher and Rifa teacher for showing me light during my dark times. Anushka teachers and Shukla teachers talking and explaining things with a sweet smile is a beautiful memory. Liesel teachers and Pranita teachers encouraging nature can never be forgotten. Ivan sir's classes, marked with dedication and great patience, is to be truly appreciated. And how can I forget to mention eagerly waiting for Brajesh sir's classes, which were always lively and fun, thanks to his immense knowledge and his sweet nature. Each and every member of Ravindra Kelkar Jnana Mandir, the teaching as well as the non-teaching, have a significant and equal role in the development of the student. The commitment and dedication of the faculty at Ravindra Kelkar Jnana Mandir deserve our utmost respect and gratitude. Maintaining a balanced study schedule has been important in my academic journey. It's not just about putting in hours, but also about effective time management, setting realistic goals, and staying disciplined. During my 10th standard, I had never been to any tuitions, nor cut down on TV, games, or any sort of entertainment. Neither did my parents pressurize me to be at the top. The key to academic success is not in tuition, cutting down on TV, or parental pressure. It's about making small goals, achieving them, and keeping a positive mindset. Consistency and focus are the key elements that have helped me to stay on track and achieve my academic goals. I remember even during my 10th standard and also during my board exams, I didn't stop reading books. It provided me a much needed break and helped me reduce stress. Reading kept my mind sharp, enhanced my focus, and contributed to my overall success. It reminds me that learning goes beyond textbooks, nurturing a lifelong passion for learning. Another aspect that I would like to emphasize on that I believe is vital in any academic environment is healthy competition among peers. While competition can help us to perform better, it's always essential to remember that our biggest competitor should always be ourselves. Healthy competition fosters growth, collaboration, and a spirit of excellence. It's about pushing each other to be the best versions of ourselves while celebrating each other's achievements. In conclusion, I would like to express my sincerest gratitude to everyone who has been a part of my journey. To the teachers at Ravindra Kedekar Jnana Mandir who have shaped my mind. To my friends who have been my companions, and my family whose unwavering support has been my strength. Let's continue to strive for excellence, support each other, and make our school proud. Thank you.
Thank you, Vriddhi, for your inspiring words. I'm sure our students will be motivated by your speech and will work hard to achieve great heights. Now coming to the next category of prizes, that is the highest mark scorer of the respective subjects at SSC examination. These are the special prizes sponsored by our respective teachers, subject teachers, for scoring highest marks in their subjects at SSC board examination. Here parents are also felicitated along with their awards because we feel parents to play an important role in boosting their child in their achievements. And to give away these prizes, I first call upon the highest scorer in English language goes to Miss Sampada Raikar. I request Sampada to kindly come up on the stage along with your parent. I request our English teacher, Mr. Ivan Fernandez, to kindly do the honors. Thank you, Ivan sir. Next highest scorer in Konkani language, here we have two winners, Ms. Sia Shirodkar and Ms. Vriddhi Desai. I request Sia to kindly come up on the stage along with your parent. I request Abhijit sir to kindly come up on the stage and do the honors. I request Vriddhi's parents to kindly come up on the stage and take the honors. Ms. Vriddhi Desai, highest scorer in Konkani language. To kindly stay behind. Now the highest scorer in Hindi language goes to again Ms. Vriddhi Desai. I request Prijay sir to kindly come up and do the honors. Vriddhi's parents, kindly stay behind. Next highest scorer, Next highest scorer in maths here, once again we have two winners, Ms. Vriddhi Desai and Ms. Aditi Pokwe. Aditi has informed that due to some reason she won't be able to come for the to receive the prize, and she has requested Ms. Vidhi Shetkar to accept her prize, on her behalf. Okay. I request Teacher Deepashri to kindly do the honors for the highest scorer in maths, Ms. Vriddhi Desai. I request Ms. Vidhi Shetkar to kindly come up on the stage and receive the prize on behalf of Ms. Aditi Pokre. I request Teacher Deepashri to do the honors. Highest scorer in science goes to Master Rishabh Desai. I request Rishabh to come up on the stage along with your parents. Due to some unavoidable circumstances, Teacher Shukla cannot make it for today's function. I request our headmaster Agni sir to kindly give away the prizes. Kindly stay behind. Highest scorer in social science once again goes to Master Rishabh Desai. I request our social science teacher, Teacher Lizelle and Miss Pranita Raikar to kindly come up and do the honors. Next, highest scorer in sports goes to Master Ritik Naik. I request Ritik along with your parents to kindly come up on the stage. I request our PE teacher, Mr. Shaunak Shedverekar, to kindly do the honors. Highest scorer in ICT goes to Master Sairaj Irkal. I request Sairaj to come up on the stage along with your parents. I request our ICT teacher, Miss Anushka Desai, to kindly do the honors. Master Sairaj Irkal. Sairaj has specially come for his award from Karnataka. He is doing his highest studies in Karnataka. Thank you, Sairaj. Next category, we have the academic prizes sponsored by our well-wishers who are always there to support us and motivate us in whatever we do. And to give away these prizes, I request our chief guest of today's program, Srimati Kishori Tai Bhemre, to kindly do the honors. Mr. Arvind Patekar Academic Prizes sponsored by Mr. Narayan Mauzo for a topper at SSC Examination 2023-24 at RKD goes to Ms. Vriddhi Desai. Vriddhi scored total 563 out of 600 marks. Highest mark scorer in Konkani language at SSC Examination 2023, we have here two prizes, Ms. Vriddhi Desai and Ms. Sia Shirodkar. These prizes are sponsored by Mr. Manikrao Ram Naik Gaunekar in memory of late Premabai Narshiupai Angle. I request Ms. Vriddhi to come up on the with this here on the stage. I request Ms. Sia to kindly come up on the stage. Both of them, they have secured 97 out of 100 marks in Konkani language. Next, highest marks scored in social science at SSC Examination 2023 goes to Master Rishabh Desai. This prize is sponsored by Mr. Manikrao Ram Naik Gaunekar in memory of late Narshiupai Angle. Rishabh has scored 99 out of 100 marks at SSC Examination. Now let's come to the tall prizes categories. These prizes refer to the prestigious and significant awards in various fields like cultural, sports, science, literature, peace and economics. This year's Samrat Student of the Year Award, organized by Samrat Student Foundation, was won by Miss Vedika Kaur. This award is presented to the most cultured, disciplined and talented student of the school. Vedika is very expressive, smart and intellectual. May it be in cultural fields or in academics. She is very kind and humble towards her friends and teachers. Next award is given to the student who have shown keen interest in reading and has read maximum number of books from our library. Sanjana Publication Atmasot Chokandal Vachak Puraskar 2023-24 sponsored by Mr. Anish Agni goes to Master Shiv Nadkarni. Shiv is a book lover. He spends a lot of time reading and learning new words. He has vast knowledge about different things and is well aware of his surrounding. Next award is for the best volunteer boy. This award is sponsored by Mr. Vivek Dattara Mordekar in memory of Mr. Madhukar Mordekar. And this award goes to Master Safan Balbatti. Safan is an exceptional student whose dedication to serve others knows no bounds. He selflessly devoted his time and efforts in making positive impact on the society. Next award is for the best volunteer girl. This award is sponsored by the Parent Teachers Association. And this award goes to Ms. Ganga Sirvi. Ganga is a shining example of selflessness and compassion. With her remarkable qualities and boundless enthusiasm, she inspires others to new heights and exemplifies the true essence of well-rounded individual. Next award is for the best sportsmanship, and this award is sponsored by Mr. Suraj Alve in memory of Mr. Nagesh Alais Lakshman Sonu Alve. And this special prize is also sponsored by Mr. Sharendra Naik for the same category. And this prize goes to Ms. Soha Dalal. Soha is both star on international sports stage as well as in academics realm. She has represented Goa Modern Pentathlon team for the 37 national game which was held in Goa. She has won 2nd and 3rd place respectively in swimming for 34th Goa State Sub-Junior Aquatic Championship and state level swimming. She has been selected by Indian Modern Pentathlon team, which Soha has participated in UIPM World Champion event that was held at China from 7 to 10 June. And she has been selected on the basis of her performance at the 8 Laser Run National Championship held at Amravati, Maharashtra. Next award for the same title goes to the next award with the same title of the best sports person sponsored by Mr. Parag Raikar in memory of Mr. Gajanan Raikar, and a special prize again sponsored by Mr. Sharendra Naik for the same category goes to Ms. Sherin Fernandez. Sherin too epitomizes the ideal balance between athletics and academic excellence. She represents the Goa Rollball team for 37th national game which was held in Goa and won 1st and 2nd place respectively in speed skating at the state level organized by DSYA. Next award is for the most popular student of Standard 10. This award has a unique concept where the entire class of 10th standard votes for the most popular student or most popular student of their class. And this award goes to Master Atharv Naik. This award is sponsored by Ms. Blood Rodriguez in the name of Amidio Rodriguez. Next award is for the best cultural talent boy, and this award goes to Master Daksh Naik. This award is sponsored by Mr. Akbar Khan. Daksh excels both in artistic expressions and athletic skills. He captivates the audience with his cultural performances. Next award is for the best cultural talent girl, and this award goes to Ms. Sani Naik. This award is sponsored by Mr. Vasant Shetty in memory of Varda Siddesh Pai alias Ms. Varda Vasant Shetty. Sani illuminates the stage with grace, creativity and cultural richness. Now coming to the most important and awaited award, which marks the exceptional achievement in academics and cultural field, that is the Outstanding Award. The Outstanding Girl of the Year 2023-24 goes to Ms. Amaya Zhati. This award is sponsored by Mr. Abhijit Shankar Kanolkar. Amaya epitomizes the essence of excellence, grace and resilience. Her intellect shines brightly in academic pursuits. Her creativity fuels innovations and her leadership inspires those around. Last but not the least, award is for the Outstanding Boy. and for the year 2023-24. And it goes to, again, Master Atharva Naik. This award is sponsored by Ms. Rupa Agni in memory of Mr. Suresh Agni. Let us move ahead with the important part of today's function, that is the release of our school annual magazine, Darpan. Darpan magazine is the mirror of our school, which reflects all the activities that we do in our school. I request our chief guest, Kishori Tai, and all the dignitaries on the dais to kindly release the magazine. Our dedicated team took a charge of every aspect of the magazine, from the content collection to the final design. To recognize the efforts and hard work of the editorial and the designing team, I request Teacher Lizelle and Mr. Prasad to kindly come and receive their honors. I request our chief guest, Srimati Kishori Tai, to kindly do the honors and present a copy of the magazine to Teacher Lizelle and Mr. Prasad. As we come to the concluding part of the formal function, I would like to acknowledge our chief guest, Ms. Srimati Kishori Tai Bembre, and our guest of honor, Ms. Vriddhi Desai, with a small token of love from our school. I request the president of Arcadians Forever United, Ms. Yash Maramangalam, to kindly present a token of affection and love from us. Thank you, Kishori Tai. Now I request our headmaster, Anant Agni sir, to kindly express his vote of thanks.
कोकणी भाषा मंडळ संचालित रवींद्र केळकर ज्ञान मंदिर ह्या शाळेच्या वर्सुकी स्नेह सोहळ्याक तुमकां सगळ्यांक ह्या उपकाराच्या उलोवपांत येवकार येता. खरें म्हळ्यार ही कार्यावळ 28 एप्रिलाक जावपाची आशिल्ली, पूण 28 एप्रिलाक रवींद्र भवनाच्या रिनोवेशनाचें काम जावंक ना, देखून आमकां ती पोस्टपोन करची पडली आनी आयज ही कार्यावळ हांगा घडून येता. आमी फाटलीं कांय वर्सां जशें प्रशांत बाब नायक हांणी सांगलें की थीम बेस्ड आमी गॅदरिंग्स करताले, बट देन लास्ट इयर आमी ठरयलें की आमी थीम बेस्ड गॅदरिंग करता आसतना आमचे कोंकणी रायटर्स घेवया, ज्या लोकांनी कोंकणी खातीर वावर केला, त्या कोंकणी लेखकांचें, त्या संघटकांचें, आयोजकांचें, फुडाऱ्यांचें जिवीत लोकां मुखार मांडपाचो प्रयत्न करया आनी तातूंतल्यान नवे पिळगेक आदर्श दवरपाचो एक ल्हानसो यत्न करया. म्हणून त्या यत्नांतल्यान फाटल्या वर्साक आमी श्रीधर कामत ह्या आमच्या संवसाराक अंतरिल्ल्या आमच्या इश्टाचेर कोंकणी चळवळींतल्या एका नामनेच्या गितकाराचेर आमी गॅदरिंग सादर केलें आनी ज्या गॅदरिंगाक इतलो उपाट प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो की गॅदरिंगाचो आमकां एक रिपीट शो हांगाच 18 जूनाक पोरूं करचो पडलो. ह्या वर्साक आमी ठरयलें की ज्या मनशान कोंकणी चळवळींत खूब मोठें योगदान दिलां, कोंकणींतल्या सगळ्या यशांचे जे साक्षीदार आसात, त्या एडवोकेट उदय बाब भेंब्रे हांच्या वावराचेर, हांच्या जिविताचेर, तांच्या साहित्याचेर आमी ह्या वर्साक गॅदरिंग करया म्हणून सगळ्या स्टाफाक तें मान्य जालें. आनीक ताजे फुडें प्रसंग आशिल्लो की उदय बाबा कडेन आमी परमिशन घेवचें. उदय बाबान सदांचे भशेन बरे भशेन म्हळें आनी आमी मुखार सरले. मुखेल सोयरो आमी सदांच जाणीवपूर्वक थारायतात. ह्या वर्साक आमी मॅनेजमेंटान टिचर्सांनी थारायलें की ह्या वर्साक आमी किशोरीबायक मुखेल सोयरी म्हणून आपोवया म्हणून. आतां किशोरीबाई कित्याक? किशोरीबाईचो सहभाग, योगदान जे कोंकणी मुवमेंटांत आसा तें आमकां दिसता उदय बाब भेंब्रे इतलेंच आसा. किंबहुना आमी अशें म्हणन की किशोरीबाईचें योगदान उदय बाबा परसय चड आसा, कारण किशोरीबाईन ते तरेचें फ्रिडम काम करपाचें किंवा भायर चड वेळ रावपाचें जर उदय बाबाक दिवंक नाशिल्लें जाल्यार घडये उदय बाब आयज आमकां ज्या तरेन उदय बाब आसा तो पळोवंक आमकां घडये मेळचो नाशिल्लो. आनी म्हणून किशोरीबाईचें जें योगदान आसा, एक सायलंट वर्कर, अन्वेषाबाई म्हजे कडेन सहमत जावचें ना वेगळ्या अर्थान म्हणा, सायलंट त्या अर्थान न्ही की फक्त अन्वेषाबाईच्या हाका जोडून सांगता की किशोरीबाईचो सहभाग जो आसा तो राजभास चळवळींतय आसा. आनी हांव जर चुकिल्लो आसत जाल्यार जें जेल भरो आंदोलन जाल्लें त्या जेल भरो आंदोलनांतय बी किशोरीबाईचो सहभाग आशिल्लो. सो अशे तरेची किशोरीबाई केन्नाय उदय बाबाच्या घरा जर गेले जाल्यार किशोरीबाई हांसत्या तोंडान खंयच्याय वेळार वचात उठयात उदय बाबाक न्हिदिल्ले कडेन दनपारच्या जेवणाक बशिल्ले कडेन उठयात. किशोरीबाईच्या तोंडार आमी केन्नाय असो राग किंवा हें केन्ना पळयलो ना. तितल्याच हांसत्या तोंडान च्या हाडून दिले बगर किशोरीबाई केन्ना रावली ना. आनी म्हणून किशोरीबाईक आमी ठरयलें चीफ गेस्ट म्हणून ह्या वर्साक ठरवया सांगया. किशोरीबाई मान्य करची ना हो हुस्को आशिल्लोच आनी त्या खातीर हांवें अन्वेशाबाईक घेतलें बरोबर. ताजी कन्विन्सिंग हें बरें आसा आनी नातें बरें आसा किशोरीबाई कडेन. किशोरीबाईन सदां भशेन म्हणलें हांव कित्याक थंय, ते आसात न्ही, तें तांचें काम म्हणून. आनी पूण आमी ठरयलें की आयज उदय बाब ऑडियन्सा भितर बसूं आनी किशोरीबाई स्टेजीर वचूं म्हणून. हो आमचो भोवमान अशें आमी मानतात, कोंकणी चळवळीचो भोवमान अशें आमी मानतात. आनी अन्वेशाबाईन जशें सांगलां की कितलेशेच जाण आसात हांगा. सदानंद बाब काडेकर आसात, हांव ज्येश्ठ म्हणून तांचें नांव घेतलां. भाई मावजो आसात, तांच्याय घरकान्नींनी जें सॅक्रिफायस केलां कोंकणी मुवमेंटा खातीर की आपले घरकार सगळो कोंकणीचो मुवमेंट चलयता आसतना घर चलोवप म्हणटा तो आनी ताजे बरोबरच आपल्या घरकाराक प्रोत्साहन दिवप म्हणटा ते सगळ्या घरकान्नींचे प्रतिनिधी म्हणून आज किशोरीबाईचो हो भोवमान आनी तांणी तो मानून घेतलो म्हणून तुमकां चड आनीक चड देव बरें करूं. हांव वृद्धीच्या बाबतींत चड उलयना, इतलेंच सांगता. ताणें उलोवप केले उपरांत म्हाका म्हजें हड्डें इल्लें चडच फुडें आयलें इतल्याच खातीर की आमी जी देख म्हणून सांगतात रवींद्र केळेकर ज्ञान मंदिराचो प्रॉडक्ट म्हणून ताच्या उलोवपांतल्यान डेफिनेटली तुमकां तो कळून आयिल्लो आसतलो. वृद्धी तूं ज्या तरेन स्पॉन्टेनियसली उलयलें, काळजांतल्यान उलयलें, मनांतल्यान उलयलें, तीच तर आर्केडीची खासियत आनी तीच तर आर्केडीची परंपरा. तितून जपता मुखार व्हरता हाजो आमकां सगळ्यांक अभिमान आसा. तुका चड आनीक चड देव बरें करूं. योगायोग आसतात कांय. आयज एका ओपिनियन पोलांत खूब मोठें योगदान दिल्ल्या उदय बाबाचेर आयज आमी ही गॅदरींग करता आसतना अशेंच ओपिनियन पोलांत तितलेंच मोलादीक योगदान दिल्ल्या शाबू देसाय ह्या खूब महान मनशाची नात आयज हांगा स्टेजीचेर आसा. होय बी एक वेगळो योगायोग आनी ताचोय बी आनंद. आयज शाबूबाब देसाय हांकांय बी आमी हांगच्यानच नमन करतात. माचे वयले हेर सगळ्या मानेस्तांक हांव एकाच उतरान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. अनूप बाब सपोर्टीव पॅरंट टिचर असोसिएशनाचे प्रेसिडेंट, आमचे आर्केडियन्स फॉर एवर युनायटेड हो वेगळो कन्सेप्ट प्रशांत बाबान सांगला तसो आनी ताजे फुडारपण करतात यश मंगलम. तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं. अन्वेशाबाई, नवी टीम आमची आतां स्कूल मॅनेजींग कमिटी येता. प्रशांत बाबान 2012 सावन आयज मेरेन अध्यक्षा नात्यान किंवा एक वांगडी ह्या नात्यान जें कंट्रिब्युशन दिलां, हांव म्हज्या सगळ्या टिचर्सांचे वतीन टीम आर्केडीचे वतीन प्रशांत बाब नायक हांकां ह्या वेळाचेर देव बरें करूं म्हणपाक सोदतां. आनी हांव जाणा फॉर्मल लिस्टांक 10 जाणांच्या प्रशांत बाब नासलो जाल्यारय आमचे जे कोर टीम आसता तातूंत भितर प्रशांत सर सदांच आसतले म्हणून. आनीक नवी कमिटी जी येता जातूंत भितर अन्वेशाबाई अध्यक्ष आसतले आनी रत्नाबाई जे ऑलमोस्ट 35 वर्सांचो टिचींग एक्सपिरियन्स घेवन आतां रिटायर जाता फुडल्या म्हयन्याक, ते आमच्या स्कुलाचे मॅनेजर म्हणून जॉइन जातले. हांव तांकां येवकार दिता आनीक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. खूब मोठें लिस्ट आसा म्हजे मुखार ज्यांचे उपस्थिती हांगा सभाघरांत आसा. हांव प्रातिनिधीक स्वरुपांत कांय जाणांचें नांव घेता. आमचे मदीं भाई मावजो आसात, सदांच उमेद दिवपी, आमकां फुडें सरपाक प्रोत्साहन दिवपी, आमची तोखणाय करपी भाई मावजो. आमचे कोंकणी नाटक संगीत अकादमीचे अध्यक्ष श्रीधरभाई बांबोळकार आसात. त्याच प्रमाणे साहित्य अकादमीचो पुरस्कार फावो जाल्ले देविदास कदम सर आसात, दत्ताबाब नायक आसात, साई पायणेकर आसा आमकां उमेद दिवपी, लक्ष्मणबाब परब, तेच प्रमाणे पंढरनाथ बाब परब, रत्नमाला दिवकार, मंगलदास भट, चेतन बाबा आचार्य, त्या प्रमाणे वृद्धीचे पॅरंट्स विशाल बाब, मिनसबाई ताची भयण वृद्धीची, त्याच प्रमाणे अनिल पै बाब, डॉक्टर प्रदीप बोरकार, राजन शेटे बाब आसात, अध्यक्ष साखळी सेवा केंद्राचे मुजरत आयिल्ले इतले पयसुल्ल्यान, सदानंद बाब काणेकार मुजरत साखळेच्यान आयल्यात, माळशी सर काणकोणच्यान आयल्यात, भास्कर सर, रामानंद बाब रायकर, विनायक बाब मोडेकार, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र हेगडे, डॉक्टर प्रदीप बोरकार, आमची प्रमिला ताई, सुप्रभात भट, राजेश प्रभू, मंगलदास भट आनीक कितलेशेच जाण आसा ज्यांचे नांव घेवपाक गेल्यार फुडली कार्यावळ सुरू जावपाक कळाव जातलो. हांव हांगा थांबतां, पण तांचे पयलीं कांय उल्लेख करपाक जाय तो करता आनीक थांबतां. ह्या वर्साक आमची 2 भुरग्यां ज्यांचो उल्लेख जाला, तांचो भोवमानूय जाला, सोहा दलाल आनी शेरीन फेर्नांडीस ही नॅशनल गेम्साक सिलेक्ट जाली. आनी ताजे मुखार सोहा दलाल हे काल पयरूच चायनाक सावन आयलां इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाचेर इंडियेक रिप्रेझेंट करून मॉडर्न पेंथलॉन ह्या गेम्सां भितर. स्पोर्ट्साच्या मळाचेर जशें प्रशांत सरान सांगलें की आमचे कडेन ग्रावंड ना, पण जो रस्तो आसा तो ग्रावंडाक कन्वर्ट करून आमचो शौनक सर हो कितलेशेच अशी चॅम्पियनशीप स्टेट लेवलाचेर मेळोवपाक आमी सक्सेसफूल जाल्ल्यात. सायन्साच्या मळाचेर आमी विप्रो कंपनीन जो एक पुराय नॅशनल लेवलाचेर प्रोजेक्ट एक इव्हेंट केल्लो, तातूंत भितर आख्ख्या इंडियेंतल्यान जे 20 प्रोजेक्ट सिलेक्ट जाल्ले तातूंत भितर आमच्या स्कुलाचो प्रोजेक्ट आशिल्लो, फॉर वीच शुक्ला टीचर आनीक 5 भुरग्यां हांचो बेंगलोराक खूब मोठो भोवमान घडून आयलो. एकाडेमीक मळाचेर आमी फाटली कितलींशींच वर्सां आमी बरो रिजल्ट दितात. ह्या वर्साक आमचो 98% रिजल्ट लागलो, पूण आमी अभिमानान सांगतात आमचो 9थाचो रिजल्ट 100% आशिल्लो म्हणून. आनी म्हणून हे सगळें करता आसतना जो मॅनेजमेंटाचो सपोर्ट मेळटा, पेरंट्सांचो सपोर्ट मेळटा, टिचर्सांचो सपोर्ट मेळटा, ते सगळ्यां खातीर देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. कार्यावळ 11क सोंपपाक आशिल्ली म्हणून हांवें 1-2 मिनटां मातशी लांबयली. 11 जाल्लीं आसात, हांव थांबतां. फक्त 2 मिनटां भितर सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळ सुरू जातली. सगळ्यांक आयची सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळ निमाणे मेरेन तुमी अटेंड करची म्हणून मागतां, कारण ह्या कार्यावळीचो क्लायमॅक्स निमाणे कडेन आसा. सगळ्यांक परतून एक फावट चड आनीक चड देव बरें करूं.